Hello, and welcome to Lakeland Band. Today we're going to be talking about key signatures. By the end of this lesson, students should know the order of flats and sharps. Students should be able to know strategies to identify key signatures, and finally, students will be able to use these strategies to find many different key signatures. First, we're going to start off by finding the key signature. If you are given E or E flat, ask yourself, is it a sharp or flat key? You know it's a flat key because there's always a flat in the letter. F is the exception to this. If it's a sharp key, it's any letter without a flat after it. F and C are the exceptions. F is the exception to the above rule. It has one flat, but does not have a flat in the name. C has no sharps or flats, and so it is neither a sharp nor a flat. If it's sharp, go down a half step from the name of the key, and that is your last sharp. So say we are in E major. Now we go down a half step, and we get D sharp. This is our last sharp. Use the order of sharps to name the other sharps. All sharps listed before your sharp, along with the last sharp, should be included in order from first to last. So our last sharp is D. Then we're going to add on all the previous sharps to that. And the order of sharps is F, C, G, D, A, E, B. So we know that with D being our last sharp, and we include all the sharps before that, we have 4 sharps in our key signature. If when we were asked, is it a sharp or flat key, and we discover it is a flat key scale, the name of the key is our second to last flat, and then identify that flat in your order of flats. Our order of flats is bead GCF, B-E-A-D GCF, which is the order of sharps backwards. If we know the name of the key is our second to last flat, we then know that E is our second to last flat. Then it states that in order to use the order of flats to name the other flats, all flats listed before should be listed. So we're then going to list B as our next as a flat before that, and the flat listed right after the key should also be listed. That's going to be our A flat. So by knowing this, we know that the key of E flat has 3 flats in it. The exceptions to the rule: that if it's F major, you only add a B flat. This is the exception to the rule because it is the first flat. If it's C major, there are no sharps or flats, and so the key signature stays blank. Now for finding the name of the key, if we get the key signature, and we have to find out what the name of the key is, and you're asked to identify the key or scale, ask yourself, are there flats or sharps? If sharps, find the last sharp and go half step up. That is your key. So we find the last sharp, which is D sharp. Now we go half step up from D sharp, and we get E. So then we know that we are in the key of E major, and that is our key. If it's flat, find the second to last flat, and that is your key. So we go and we find our second to last flat, which here is E flat, and that is our key. If only one flat, the key is F major as stated before, because F major only has one flat. There's no flats or sharps, nothing in the key signature. We know that the key signature is C major. That's it for our presentation today from Lakeland Band about key signatures. Now you know the order of flats and sharps. Order of flats is B, E, A, D, G, C, F. And our order of sharps is backwards, the order of flats, which is F, C, G, D, A, E, B. So order of sharps goes one way, order of flats goes the other way. You know different strategies of identifying the key signatures and finding the key signatures. And finally, you were able to use these strategies on different keys. Thank you and have a great day.